WiDS Worldwide.
I am a data science and AI leader.
Machine learning scientist,
and research officer in artificial intelligence.
I'm a community leader, AI researcher.
I'm an ambassador.
WiDS ambassador for Bangalore chapter.
I'm a technology leader,
Data scientist.
A materials engineer.
A university professor.
I'm a career catalyst advisor.
Datathon university instructor.
Datathon university instructor.
I am a next-gen collaborator.
Next-gen instructor.
WiDS exists to prepare our community not just to participate in the AI era, but to lead it. Our Next-Gen professional program gives you many ways to learn and engage the community around you.
Next-Gen Youth and Next-Gen Inspire emphasize building critical thinking and ethical awareness in AI. Datathon Impact.
Working with real, raw data was both new and challenging for me. Building an operational tool was also extremely rewarding.
Career Catalyst connects learners with advisors who will truly listen and help to see a clear path to advance their careers. Learners walk away with practical insights, more confidence, and clearer language for the work they would like to do. Regional Conferences.
Over the years, I've hosted regional WiDS conferences and watched our community grow, not just in size, but in depth, connection, and impact.
Across industries and institutions, we hear that the biggest barrier to AI adoption isn't technical skills, it's the ability to translate AI into meaningful, context-specific applications. The new WiDS Human Edge curriculum is designed to fill the skills gap in demand today for workforce-ready AI talent. By going beyond technical instructions, the curriculum provides a real-world context for applying technology to solve problems. Our field is rapidly changing and employers need you. Now is the time for you to step up to pioneering roles in AI. We call on our members to raise your hand to new opportunities. And you're not doing it alone. We're here with you with our educational and community support. Are you ready to raise your hand and step up? We're calling on you to join us.
I am ready.
I'm ready.
I am ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Ready.
준비됐습니다.
Mai tayar.
Nico tayari.
Estou pronta.
준비되어ます.
Me tayar ahi.
I am ready.